Tired of that worn, slightly stained sofa, but not ready for a massive furniture investment? A custom DIY cover is the perfect blend of creativity and practicality. We're moving beyond basic throws to explore truly transformative, budget-friendly ideas that breathe new life into your most used piece of furniture. Get ready to measure, cut, and completely revolutionize your living room aesthetic.
Number 1. The Effortless Texture Hack, Oversized Linen Drape. For those who dread the sewing machine, the Oversized Drape method offers a quick, high-impact solution. Source extra-large, high-quality material. Think heavy textured linen, chunky knit cotton, or even faux suede. The key is to tuck the material deeply around the cushions and secure the corners underneath the sofa frame using large safety pins or Velcro strips. This method works wonders for creating a relaxed slip-covered aesthetic without a single stitch. Number 2. Tailored Precision, the Professional Tea Cushion Template. If you seek a tailored, almost store-bought appearance, you must address the complex shape of tea cushions and curved arms. Start by creating a paper pattern of each separate segment of the sofa: cushions, arms, back frame. Use a durable canvas or twill fabric and include piping along the seams for a crisp finish. This technique requires intermediate sewing skills, but yields a remarkably professional and fit, making the old upholstery completely disappear. Number 3. Denim Revival, Crafting Covers from Repurposed Jeans. Embrace sustainability and rugged style by utilizing old denim. By cutting apart worn-out jeans or sourcing denim remnants cheaply, you can create unique, durable patchwork panels. This is ideal for family rooms or industrial-style decor. Focus on mixing light and dark washes to add visual interest, and use heavy-duty thread. The denim will soften over time, offering incredible wear resistance and a distinctly personalized look. Number 4. Modular Mastery, Segmenting Covers for Sectionals. Sectional sofas present unique challenges due to their multiple pieces. Instead of attempting one giant cover, treat each segment, the chaise, the corner piece, the middle seats, as an individual unit. This makes the covers far easier to measure, sew, remove, and wash. Use strong elastic hems or drawstrings to secure the fabric tightly beneath each module, ensuring the individual covers don't shift or bunch when sitting. Number 5. The Artistic Canvas, Fabric Dyeing and Stenciling. Start with inexpensive plain fabric. A bleached cotton drop cloth is excellent for this, and turn it into a high-design statement piece through custom coloring. Experiment with shibori, tie-dye techniques for organic patterns, or use fabric paint and stencils to create repeating geometric designs. This approach puts you in complete control of the color palette and pattern, ensuring your sofa cover perfectly complements your existing decor. Number 6. Durability First, Heavy-Duty Canvas for High Traffic. If pets, children, or frequent entertaining are part of your life, prioritize materials built for endurance. Duck cloth, heavy cotton twill, or even marine-grade canvas offer superior protection and abrasion resistance. When sewing, use industrial-strength thread and focus on installing sturdy, hidden zippers along the back and side seams. This allows for quick removal and intense machine washing, ensuring longevity. Number 7. Global Traveler Look, Layering Kilims and Saris. Create a vibrant, bohemian atmosphere by layering smaller pattern textiles instead of one cohesive slipcover. Utilize Turkish kilim runners, lightweight Indian saris, or colorful Mexican blankets. Secure these smaller textiles by wrapping them around the seat cushions and arms, fastening them with decorative upholstery twist pins, or sewing small, colorful tassels where the fabric overlaps. This approach maximizes texture and color without intensive sewing. Number 8. Targeted Transformation, Armrest and Cushion Caps. Sometimes only certain parts of the sofa show wear and tear, typically the armrests and the seat cushions. Skip covering the entire frame and focus solely on creating custom caps for these high-touch areas. This saves material and time while providing essential protection where it's needed most. These caps are easily removable for washing and can be held in place with non-slip fabric backing or elastic straps looped around the cushion base.